Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the register options in the WpRentals theme. The register form is required in WpRentals to submit properties, to send booking requests, and to save favorite listings. In this video you will learn how to manage the register form fields and set. Starting WpRentals 3.16 version, to allow users to register in your site, you will need to go to settings and tick the option anyone can register. If you keep the option unticked, when a user will try to register, the user registration is currently disabled message will show in the register form. The settings can be found in WpRentals theme options. You will need to go to register and login settings. Under this section you can enable or disable login and register buttons in the header. Next I will go to the register form fields. With the first option, you can allow or not new users to type their own password on register. At this moment it is set to yes, and the user will have the option to type his own password. I will show. The password field will have security verification, and only the medium and strong passwords will be accepted. Going back to theme options, if the option to type password is disabled, in the register form the user will have only username and email fields, and the password will be sent to the user email address. In the register form you can enable a phone number field. You'll need to enable the mobile phone number in registration form option. Once the option is enabled, the user will need to type his phone number here. In theme options, you also have feature for the user separation on register. The options can be found under Enter Owner Separation, and you'll have multiple options. You can set the register form for sites that will have a single owner or for sites that will have multiple guests and owners. If you need to build your site for single owner, then you need to leave the separate users on registration option to no, and here add your owner username. I will save the change. This way only this account will have full user dashboard pages and will be able to submit properties and manage bookings, and the rest of the users that will log in your site will have limited user dashboard pages and will be able only to book and to save properties as favorites. Here you can also add more than one account name. So if you want you to manually manage the accounts that will have owner, right, you can add here the owner accounts names separated by a comma. If you need to build a site where multiple owners and guests can register, then you can enable the option to separate users on registration, and in the register form the user will have the option to choose between I only want to book, which will create guest accounts, and I want to rent my property, which will create owner accounts. The owners will have full dashboard pages, will have the option to submit new listings and manage bookings, and the guest accounts will only be able to place new bookings and save listings as favorites. Going back to theme options, for the WpRentals register theme you can enable reCAPTCHA. For that, this option needs to be enabled and an API needs to be created on google.com. The WpRentals theme has the option to create new users using social login. The options available are login with Facebook, Google or Twitter, and when social login is used, you as admin can select the user role the new accounts will have. This can be set from register and login. You'll have this option, default role for social login users. You can choose if the new users will be owners or guests. New users can be registered during the booking process. If instant booking is used with WooCommerce payments, the register and login will be bypassed when the booking is placed, but still an account needs to be created on checkout page. At this moment I am not logged in, so if I place a new booking and proceed to checkout, in the checkout page the user will need to tick this checkbox, and the new user with renter level will be created with the details added in the checkout page. These are the options available for the register form. Thank you for watching, and not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.